Today we will be testing a trend trading strategy. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel. You can find a link below to join us on Discord. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 135 different strategies, with 48 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex strategy with the Z-score probability indicator. We've also tested a total of 994 indicators, with 419 of them being winners. Now keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we're testing a trend trading strategy. So the source video says that this advanced indicator became free for scalping trading, gets a 98% win rate, scalping trading strategies. And so of course we are going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of it. And so let's go ahead and turn off these two indicators there. So the first indicator that we will put on screen is going to be the extreme trend indicator, this one right here. So go ahead and add that one to the screen, and it will look like this here. The settings all stayed the same. We didn't change any of the settings on this one. And so the next indicator that you will add to screen is going to be the QQE threshold indicator. It's going to be this one right here at the top. And so you'll go ahead and add that to the screen, and it will look kind of similar to this right here. And we did go in and make a few modifications to this. First of all, let's go into the inputs, and we're going to change the RSI length to 5. That's going to be the input change. And then under the style, you're going to go down and uncheck this plot and this plot. You'll leave this one here on. Then you'll scroll down and you will uncheck these 3 levels right here. And that should give you exactly what you see here on the screen. Okay, so once you have all those on screen, what we're looking for is for the X trend indicator to give us the overall trend direction. So when price is trading below the slower moving average, this one right here, then price is going to be in a downtrend, and we are only looking for shorts. The next piece of the puzzle we're looking for is the X trend to give us a signal, and that's going to come in the form of an arrow like this one right here. For shorts, that's going to be an orange arrow. Then once we have that, we are then going to look down to the QQE indicator, and we are going to look for it to have a red bar confirming that we are going to take this short trade right here. Once all those line up, then again, that will give you your confirmation for a short trade. You will then set your stop right above the last swing, and you will target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get out of it. Alright, so you see there that it takes a little bit, but we eventually then creep our way down and get ourselves to our take profit. Let's go ahead and look at a long trade now. Alright, so for a long trade, we are looking for price action to be trading above that slower moving average right there, the orange one. We are then looking for the X trend to give us a signal. In this case, it comes in the form of a blue arrow like this one right here. Then once we have that, we are going to look down to the QQE, and we are looking for it to give us a green bar like so. Once we have all those lined up, again, that's going to be our signal to then go long. We're going to set our stop right down here below the last swing, and we are going to target that 1 to 1.5 risk reward like so. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get out of it. All right, so you see that we get a really aggressive move, pretty much straight up immediately, then kind of a pullback and another push to the upside, once again getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 23 winning trades and 27 losing trades, putting us at a 46% win rate. So that's not a bad win rate. And so with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, on the winning side, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, then you would have gained $13,800 altogether. On the losing side, though, you would have lost $10,800, risking $400, and that gives you a total of $3,000 altogether. So not a bad little profit over about 5 months worth of trading. Now, compare that to the Academy of Forex strategy that I've mentioned a few times before already in this video. We did 56 trades within the same period of time. We had 42 winning trades and 14 losing trades, putting us at an 84% win rate. So if you're looking to gain that same $600 per winning trade, you would have gained $25,600. On the losing side, you would have lost $10,500 for a total gain of $15,100. Again, during that same period of time of about 5 months. So significantly better returns on the Academy of Forex strategy. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. After the trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. It's really super cheap. Doesn't cost hardly anything at all. You do have to maintain your Patreon status as well to also continue to have access to the indicator. So if you're interested in that, like I said, just sign up down below for our Patreon. You'll be sent the information for the free trial. Let's go ahead and take a look at our weekly trades. So again, this is the trades, the signals that we're getting from these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is each week on the 30-minute time frame. And so last week, these Forex pairs had the 7 trades within the week. We had 7 winning trades for a 100% win rate, a gain of $4,200. On the crypto coin, though, we had 4 trades, 2 winning trades, 2 losing trades. So we took a little bit of a hit on that one, a negative $320. Add those together, gives us $3,880 on the week, so still plenty profitable. And again, in the video that I post to the general channel, the free side of Discord, I showed how to use the alternative stop, which would have actually still profited on these trades here, even though we had 2 winning and 2 losing. And so we're going to add even better increase in the profits doing that method. But to be fair, since we started tracking them this way, that's how we're going to go ahead and do it. So we took the loss on the crypto coin there. Now for the last 3 weeks, we've been profitable every single week and would have had a total gain of $13,300. And so when I say that you can make $15,000 in a matter of a couple of months, it is no exaggeration. You can see here that over a few weeks with just a couple of Forex pairs and 1 crypto coin and a few handfuls of trades a week, you could easily increase your profit significantly there. So that's it for this video here. This strategy, I'm going to go ahead and put it on the yes list. Even though it's not a huge amount of profit, there is some legitimacy to it. And so, and we will move on to the next video from here.